If your content is detected as AI and you're looking to fix it, let me show you how with Originality AI Deep Scan. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Originality AI dashboard as usual. Then you're just going to paste in some text here. Select what model you want to use. I'm fine with using Lite 1.0.2. And then we're just going to hit scan here to, again, just check our content, see if it comes back as AI generated. And naturally, it is detected as AI because I got it from chat. We still have our sentence by sentence breakdown. So here we can see a 92% likelihood of AI, 96%, and then 100% here. But if I'm looking to improve my score, I'm just going to go over here to this deep scan button. I'm going to run the deep scan, and then this will give me kind of suggestions on how to improve my writing, make it sound a lot more human sounding and natural and not just that kind of generic AI output. So I will pause now and then come back with my deep scan results. All right, my results are ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and check these here. And then here you can see the deep scan suggestions. So it's suggesting that I use a concrete sensory detail. I'm gonna vary some sentence openings and lengths, and then fix some transition things and descriptors. So basically, it's not gonna rewrite your content. We're not an AI humanizer, but this is a way to kind of get suggestions on how to improve your writing. Again, make it sound a little bit more human-like. And Deep Scan is just your little kind of AI tutor right in your Originality AI dashboard. So be sure to give it a try. Let me know how you like it, and happy writing!